Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Files by Google. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Continue. Select Allow and click on this gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Now you need to tap on the back button and select Browse at the bottom in the middle. Lastly, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!